Hey guys, welcome back here on the channel, and today I'd like to show you an awesome little microphone from Maono, and this is their USB microphone kit. So I guess we just gotta go check it out what's in the box. As I open it up, first let's take out the microphone. You get a little pop filter kind of thing with it. That looks already really cool. USB cable, a little stand, and of course the microphone holder, what comes with it. I just plugged in into my computer. It's a plug and play USB, and this is what you actually hear now. I think it's pretty awesome. I did try it before. I've been testing it for a while. Mostly I've been trying it on games, you know, how I can talk to the guys on TeamSpeak. It's been working out pretty well. I've been asking them how is it, so anyway, they did hear me like loud and clear. So I gotta say I'm pretty happy with that. Mostly they are actually advertising it for, like, you know, gaming, but they also mentioning like recordings, of course, podcast, even acoustic guitar, which we're gonna try soon. But before that, I'd like to tell you that on the box they have some frequency charts, like how is the response and even the pattern, the polar pattern what they have. And this is a cardioid mic, and I think it's working pretty well. What else I can tell you about it? Of course, it's not a high-end microphone, but I think it's really worth to invest into one because it's not an expensive thing, and I think it gives a pretty awesome sound quality for that. You can find a gain adjust knob on the microphone, so you can adjust your level, how loud you wanna be on this thing, and I think that gives a pretty awesome control for that. But what else is there? I think we should just hear it, how it goes with the guitar, for example. I think it's pretty decent for its price. I think it's a really awesome choice, especially if you do podcast or some talking. And even the guitar was working with it if you want to record some small things for yourself, or even just, you know, for your social media. I can recommend this microphone. So I'm very happy that I got this, and I really appreciate it. I'm sorry I was a little late with the review. I've been caught up in a lot of work, thank God. So I hope you liked the review, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.